I hope you can hear me, ma. Okay. Now let us do solid states. This is a brief revision of what we learned few months ago. Okay, so there's no need to stress on it. Okay. Please go through your notes if you have any. If you don't have, it doesn't matter. Okay. I need you to make it clear to me that if you have a theory paper or if you have only MCQ. Okay. First is distinction between crystalline and amorphous solid. Okay, this is an easy table. Okay, just read it. If you don't understand anything, ask me. Okay, examples are very important: NaCl, metal, diamond, rubber, plastics. Okay, these examples are very important. Okay, you have to remember them. Okay, there is no other way. The only doubt which I think you could have is what is anisotropic and what is isotropic. Okay, anisotropic is direction dependent and isotropic is direction independent. Okay, now what does it mean? Anisotropic means if you look at different directions, the properties will vary. North में vary होगा, south में vary होगा, east में vary होगा, west अलग अलग सा होगा. But if you look at isotropic property, it will be same in all direction. जो भी direction हो, direction independent. Okay. Now I hope you understand. Okay. Please remember this also: true solid, pseudo solids. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Never hesitate. Okay. Now let's go down. Okay, remember this. Okay, an easier way to remember this table is CTOR-HMT. Come on, repeat with me: CTOR-HMT. CTOR-HMT. Okay, C से cubic, T से tetragonal, O से orthorhombic, R से rhombohedral, H से hexagonal, M से monoclinic, T से triclinic. Okay, now we have to remember certain things. Okay, such that monoclinic and triclinic में all sides are not equal. Okay, okay, and at the same time, okay, cubic और rhombohedral में all sides are equal. Okay, उसके बाद remember the total number of Bravais lattice to be 14. Okay, this is a repeated question. Okay, they won't ask you this that much in CBSE. I don't think they won't stress you that much. Okay, and examples याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इधर. Please try to remember the first three things. I gave you shortcut for the systems. Okay, now I'll teach you how to remember lengths. Okay, you have to, जब भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम मैंने अटेंड किया तो व्हाट इट इज, द फर्स्ट थिंग आफ्टर गोइंग टू एग्जाम हॉल, आई गो टू द बैक पेज एंड राइट डाउन द होल पीरियोडिक टेबल. Okay, no matter how you by heart it, right, you have to look at something to refer from it. Okay, ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया तो you have to write the whole thing and refer from it. Okay, write CT और HMT. उसके बाद मेरे साथ लिखना शुरू करो. A equal to B equal to C. उसके बाद A equal to B not equal to C. उसके बाद everything is not equal. Okay, उसके बाद everything is equal and the same pattern, A equal to B not equal to C. Again उसके बाद everything is not equal, then again not equal. Okay, I hope you can see the repetitive pattern. Okay, it repeats 3 times once, 3 times once. Okay, okay, try to remember it like that. Okay, okay, angles. Okay, remember that first 3 के लिए everything is 90 degree. Okay, fourth के लिए everything is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, remember 5 and 6, and remember triclinic के लिए both even length is not equal and even all angles are not equal. Okay, shortcut करके remember कर लो, और कोई वजह नहीं है. Okay, I hope you remember packing efficiency. We took strong class on this for you and the other two girls. Okay, try to go through your notes. Okay, in this I want you to write down these two formulas. Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied divided by volume of unit cell. Okay, or Z is effective atoms per unit cell into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is nothing but volume of sphere. Okay, into V. What is V? V is nothing but volume of the unit cell. Okay, वो पूरा का पूरा स्क्वायर होता है ना क्यूब, उसका वॉल्यूम को हम V कहेंगे. Okay, इस वॉल्यूम में कितना इफेक्टिवली तुम तेरा यूनिट सेल्स को पैक कर रहे हो, उसे हम पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी कहेंगे. ओके, I gave a small example. I'm not sure if you remember of this. If you go on a vacation, you can't directly dump your clothes inside a suitcase. You'll be only able to fit 5 or 6 clothes. But if you pack your clothes and you fold them, right, then you could be very well able to fit more than 20 clothes also. क्योंकि तू ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा efficiently packing कर रही है उधर. Okay, so using that formula we'll detect packing efficiencies. This is cube parameter, ma. Parameter. Okay, you are 17 years old. I'm not going to be teaching you this. Number of corners is 8, number of edges is 12, number of body diagonals is 4, face 6, body center 1, face diagonal 12. Okay, look at this picture for more reference. Okay, this literally has everything. ओके, फेस डायगनल्स क्यों 12 है? 6 फेस है ना, एक फेस के लिए दो डायगनल्स होगा, इसलिए पूरा का पूरा 12 हो जाएगा, 6 into 12. ओके, उसके बाद फेस सेंटर आर इन सेंटर्स ऑफ फेस लाइक डाइस, बॉडी सेंटर इज इन सेंटर ऑफ द क्यूब. ओके, एक का एक. ओके, एज का मतलब पता है ना, एज का मतलब इसे हम एज कहेंगे. प्लेसेस फ्रॉम विच यू कैन फॉल ऑफ अ क्यूब इज नोन एज एज. ओके, एज इज 12, काउंट करके देखो. Now let us look at contribution. Okay, contribution is something which I taught you girls pretty well. Okay, remember. Okay, बॉडी सेंटर ना बहुत सेल्फिश है, किसी और से शेयर नहीं होता, क्यूब शेयर नहीं करता बॉडी सेंटर को. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इसका कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन 1, बिकॉज वन बॉडी सेंटर इज ओनली पार्ट ऑफ वन क्यूब. ओके, इसके बाद हम कॉर्नर्स को देखेंगे. ओके, आई वॉन्ट यू टू इमेजिन 2 फ्लोर्स, ग्राउंड फ्लोर एंड फर्स्ट फ्लोर. ओके, ग्राउंड फ्लोर में 4 क्यूब्स होगा, 1 2 3 4, ऊपर में भी 4 होगा, 5 6 7 8. ओके, सो 8 क्यूब्स. एक कॉर्नर कितने क्यूब्स को टच कर रहा है? 8 क्यूब्स को टच कर रहा है, इसलिए इसका कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा 8. ओके, ऐसा सोच लो, एक कॉर्नर 8 क्यूब्स को टच कर रहा है, इसलिए कॉर्नर का कंट्रीब्यूशन 1/8. ओके, नाउ लुक एट फेस सेंटर. वन फेस सेंटर इज टचिंग 2 क्यूब्स, सो what is the contribution? 1/2. Okay, now look at edge. One edge is touching 4 cubes, so contribution is 1/4. I want you to visualize this. Okay, if you try to remember it, right, it will be kind of confusing. Okay, visualize it, it's easy. I can also show you an animation. Okay, so this is basically packing efficiency ma. Okay, packing efficiency. Okay, in exams what they'll ask you is what is simple cubes पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी. ओके, तुझे लिखना है 52.4, बीसीसी का कितना 68, फेस सेंटर्ड का कितना 74. ओके, देन दे विल आस्क यू वॉइड स्पेस. ओके, वॉइड का मतलब क्या? वॉइड मींस एम्प्टी. ओके, इतना का इतना एफिशिएंट है, तो व्हाट यू मस्ट डू इज 100 minus packing efficiency will give you the void space. Now hear me out. Okay, now we are going to Goa. Okay, now and your suitcase is packed at 80% efficiency. Okay, which means 80% भरा हुआ है. Now how much of your suitcase is left free? Only 20%, right? Okay, so ऐसा 100 minus 80, there will be 100 minus 52.4 will approximately be 48%. 100 minus 68 will approximately be 32%. Okay, 74 minus 100 will approximately be 26%. Okay, void space का भी question पूछ सकते हैं, you must not get confused over them. Okay, coordination number is something which you have derived. Okay, उसके बाद body diagonals भी है. Okay, we have done this, I'm not sure if you remember it. Okay, these are questions which they can ask. What is the coordination number of simple cube, BCC, FCC? तुझे ये सब लिखना पड़ेगा. This is a very very important table, the most important table that we have come across in this chapter until now. Okay, write this, try to by heart it, or I'll give you an easier way. I'll try to explain this to you. Okay, please pause the video. My taking notes is very very important. Pause the video and try to note down as much things as you can. One second. Okay, now let's look at packing efficiency. Okay, simple cube तुझे पता है क्या है? A simple cube is nothing but a cube. Okay, first let me see if there is cube in shapes. I don't think so. No, cube नहीं है. Okay, let us draw a cube. Okay, a simple cube is nothing but a cube which has atoms only in its corners. 1 2 Okay, okay. अभी z क्या है? Please write down. Okay, this simple cube. I want you to note that down first. Okay, simple cube. Okay, this is a simple cube. It's a cube with nothing, with only atoms at its corners. Okay, I hope you can hear and understand me pretty well. Okay, now z क्या होता है? Okay. Z is nothing but number of atoms per unit cell. Okay, अभी z कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? First, z is nothing but number of atoms at a position into its contribution. Okay, I'm sure you remember this. Okay, it's easy. You're smart also, so you can figure it out. What is, how many corners are there? 8 corners are there. एक corner का contribution कितना? 1/8. So cancel हो जाएगा ना? We'll get z as 1. This is equal to. Okay, अभी आ गया ना? Z आ गया. Sir, R Q a/2 है. You know, you can ask me this. Why is R a/2? Okay, I'll tell you in a second. Okay, now let us come back to this cube. I want you to consider this part. Okay, look at the front face of it. Okay, हमारी easy visual representation के लिए we have drawn the corner as small orange dots, but literally when you pack in clothes inside your suitcase it will take up most of the space, right? Okay, तो इधर भी वैसा ही होगा. Okay, okay, this will figure literally take out most of the spaces. Okay, but if I draw like this you will get confused because you can't see anything, right? And what good is a visual representation if you can't understand anything? Let me increase the font size on that. Okay, this is the front view. Okay, and this is the cube behind it which we can't see. Okay, अभी मेरी बात सुनो. Okay, I am sure you know Pythagoras theorem, right? Okay, side of a square is always a. Okay, so what is x? X is nothing but root over a square plus a square, which is nothing but root 2a. Okay, so that is what this body diagonal will be. This body diagonal will not be nothing but root 2a. Okay, now I'll draw a more cleaner diagram. Okay. We have figured out that x is nothing but root 2a. Now these two things, okay, will take out most of the space. I'm going to drawing that once again. Wait, let me just draw a square from here. Yeah, that is a square. Okay, and let me draw some circles. This doesn't work out, I'm sorry. Okay, now we have two circles. Okay, circles के लिए radius होगा ना? Okay, एक radius अंदर आ जाएगा. Okay, इसका भी एक radius अंदर आ जाएगा. Okay, दूसरा बाहर होगा. Okay, which means try to understand half of this sphere is inside. Okay, so forget this. Okay, ये भूल जाओ. So what is this? R plus R is nothing but 2R, right? R plus R is equal to 2R. Now 2R occupies root 2a. Try to think practically. This is x, okay, and along this x 2r resides. Okay, so nothing but 2r is equal to root 2a. Now what is a? A is nothing but 2r divided by root 2. Okay, now remember, whenever root 2 comes in denominator, you have to multiply and divide by root 2. Okay, so you will get root 2 हो जाएगा, 2 cancel हो जाएगा, so you will get a is equal to root 2r. Okay, we have come to our conclusion. I'm sorry, a should be root 2r. Just a minute. R plus r is 2r. Simple cube के लिए corners में ही होगा. Okay, I think then rather than considering this aspect, okay, it's a good thing you learned about body angle, but I don't think it will be required over here. Okay, yeah, my bad. I was an idiot. Okay, please try to forget the last 3 minutes. I'll try to edit this part out. I'm not sure if I can edit it. Okay. Now look at this. Okay. इस स्क्वायर का साइड a है ना, इसका भी a है ना. ओके, अभी अंदर में ये r होगा ना. This will be r, right? Even this will be r, right? Okay. So r plus r is how much? So 2r is equal to a. Okay, or we can write r is equal to a by 2. Okay, आसान से खत्म हो जाएगा. I'm sorry for confusing it now. Okay, now we have learnt z क्या है पता चल गया, इसका भी पता चल गया. Coordination number we look at later. Okay, now forget about coordination number. We look at it later. It is important, but I will teach you slowly. Now let's look at packing efficiency. Packing efficiency का formula क्या है? Z into 4/3 pi r cube divided by v. Okay, अभी क्यूब का एक साइड a होता है, so what is volume of cube? Side into side into side, which means volume of cube is nothing but a cube. Okay, याद कर लो. Okay, नीचे तो a cube आ जाएगा क्योंकि वही volume of cube है. Z क्या है? Z is 1. We just calculated it. 4/3 pi r क्या है? R is a by 2, right? A by 2 whole cube. Okay, so what is the final answer? We'll get 4/3 pi a cube by 8 divided by a cube. इधर भी a cube ही आ जाएगा. a cube कट हो जाएगा. This will become 2. So we'll get pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but it translates to 52.4%. You can pull out a calculator and do it. I'm pretty sure you'll get 52.4%. And remember, sometimes they can ask you this value also. They can give you what is packing efficiency of simple cube and they'll give you answers in pi. तो तभी भी तुझे आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि आंसर pi by 6 है. ओके, सो दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. ठीक है, आज के लिए एक बस. आई डोंट वांट टू पुश more, but remember packing efficiency is another form, can be written as pi by 6. Okay, we'll do the other two tomorrow. Okay, tell me how was this class, whether you could recall it, how was the density. I'm sorry for making a silly error. Okay, I could have gone past 2 more topics, but I think it will be too much for take in one day. Okay, please share me the feedback of this class. Thank you, ma.